Okay, good morning student. See, today we have to learn chemistry chapter number 2, periodic classification of elements. Okay, is it need to classification of element? Yes, it is a need to classification of elements. We have to see if we go to the grocery, we have to go to the shopping mall. Is this specific arrangement is there? See, we have to keep a specific arrangement. We have to go to the medical shop. See, just there, if you ask the particular medicine, just keeping the shopkeeper and giving to the medicine to you. Because of their specific arrangement is there, classification is there. See, if you go to the your kitchen hall, see there are specific arrangement is there. Without seeing your mother is giving to the salt, it's like there is a specific salt, sugar, tea powder, see chili, turmeric, a specific arrangement is there at your home. Next we have to go to the library. There is also specific arrangement is there. See, we have to see the only one rack is there. Rack total is a mathematics books, another rack for biology books, another rack for physics, chemistry. This like books arrangement is there in a library also. That's why we have to classify the periodic classification of elements. What said today? 180 elements were known. Today 118 elements were known. See, how many elements were known? 218 elements were known. But see what said scientific world around the year 1800. Around the year 1800, 30 elements were known. See, in this year we know only 30 elements only. 30 elements. What's in next? See, initial classification of the elements. Initially classified the elements. It is a two types. Initial classification of elements. Initial classification of elements. Elements are two types. One is a metals. Another one is a non-metals. See, initial classification of elements, they know metals and non-metals they are classified. Later classification of elements. See, later classification of elements. Classification of elements. Elements are three types. See, elements are three types. One is a metals, non-metals, metallites. We have metallites and non-metals. Metals, metallites and non-metals. Is a letter classified these non-metallites. The metallites has a both characters, metals and non-metals. As the knowledge about the element and their property went on increasing. See, they are increasing property, and what say increasing, different scientists started thinking at different methods of classification. See, we have to see the different scientists is there. They are classified differently. These elements were. See, we have to learn. How many scientists is there? What they classified in this these elements, we have to learn about them. See, first one is a Dauberny triad. Dauberny triads. See, what say Dauberny triads? See, he took in the year 1817. Which year? 1817. He took the first his experiment for German scientist, and the property of the element are related to their atomic mass. He said property related to the atomic mass. Atomic mass. He also took the atomic mass. What's in next? Next, the made group of three elements, each having made group of three elements, each having, what is each having similar chemical property. Similar chemical properties is called Dauberny triads. Dauberny triads, each having the similar property. Dauberny. See, Dauberny triads. See here. Dauberny triads. What's in here? Made group of three elements, each having the similar chemical property, is called Dauberny triads. What's a Dauberny triads? He arranged the three elements in a triad in the increasing order of their atomic masses. See, order increasing, three elements, increasing order of their atomic masses. Atomic masses. What's it? Next, atomic mass of the middle element was approximately. See what's it? Atomic mass of middle element. See, atomic mass of the three element in triad. See, atomic mass of middle element was approximately, atomic mass of middle elements approximately equal to see, atomic mass of middle element is approximately equal to the mean of the atomic mass of the other two elements. Other two elements. What's in here? He took the atomic mass as experiment one. Next, made group of three elements. Made group of three elements, each having similar chemical property, is called Dabernay triads. Next, three elements increasing order of their atomic masses. Next, atomic mass of middle element approximately the atomic mass of other two elements. See, he said Dabernay triads. Next, what said? He took the so many examples also. See, these examples we have to learn. See, what said here? A tabular formula also given in your book. See, what we have to draw the tabular formula. In tabular formula, triads is there. See here triads. Okay. Lithium, sodium, potassium. We took the example. Next, what said? Element 1 actual atomic mass. So what said? Element 1 actual atomic mass. Atomic mass A. Next, what said? Element 2 main A plus what said? A plus C by 2. A plus C by 2. A plus C by 2. Actual atomic mass. Actual atomic mass is a B. Next, we have to see the element 3 actual atomic mass. Element 3 actual atomic mass. See here, took the lithium, sodium, potassium. What is the atomic mass of the lithium? See, we have to write the lithium atomic mass. Say 6.9. Next, potassium atomic mass is a 39.1. See, we have to do 6.9 plus 39.1 by 2. See, we will get here 23.0. See, it is a sodium atomic mass. Next, calcium, strontium and barium. See, what said? Calcium is a 40.1, and see, we have to see the barium. Barium atomic mass is a 137. See, 137.3. See, we have to do it here. See 40 plus 40.137.3 by 2. See we will get the here atomic mass is a 87.6. 87.6. So it is a transient atomic mass. Next what say? See book for already given. Next we have to see the manganese. Manganese, chromium and ferrous. See, it is not your book, but what said here? Manganese. See, manganese is a 50.50. Next we have to see the ferrous. See, we have to write here ferrous. Ferrous is a 56.0. 56.0. Now we have to do the 55, 56 by 2. See, equal to, we will get the, it is a 52.0. 52.0. Atomic mass of the chromium. Atomic mass of the chromium is like, it is a chromium. See this like actual values is a given. See you have to learn from your book. This line is a number of given in your book. Next we have to see the what is the limitation. See we have to learn about the limitation also. See what is limitation. See इसका जो है फर्स्ट का और थर्ड का एलिमेंट्स देना है. ये फर्स्ट है, ये सेकंड है, ये थर्ड है. तो इसको ए बी सी भी बोल सकते हैं. ये ए है, ये बी है और ये सी है. इसको क्या करना है? फर्स्ट का और सेकंड का थर्ड का. सी 6.9 प्लस क्या करना है? पोटेशियम का 31.1 by 2. इसको डिवाइड करें तो अपने को क्या आता है? 23.0 मींस C A plus C by 2 equal to this like we are getting. Okay, see say so many limitations is there. We have to learn about the limitation in this chapter. Okay, limitation. What limitation is there? What say? All known element at time. All known element at time. What say? All known element at time could not be arranged in the form of triads. All known elements could not arranged in the form of triad. In the form of triads. In the form of triads. All known elements could not arrange in the form of triads. We can't arrange this like. Next we have to see the law failed to very low and very high masses. The law failed to explain very low or very high atomic masses of elements. See, this law is a faint to, so it is so many variations is a coming to very low and high masses. The law failed to the very low and very high masses in case of fluorine, chlorine, bromine. See, in case of fluorine, bromine. See this line, what see, atomic weight fluorine is not an, see, arithmetic, see, mean of the atomic mass of fluorine and bromine. See this line, what said, limitation of elements. All known elements could not arrange in the form of triads. The law failed to explain about the very low and very high atomic masses of elements. These are a very important.